Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to show you this gorgeous Snow White 2023 ornament. So I collect these for my daughter. They're different Disney characters and this is Snow White. The detail on this is so amazing. They are hand painted. It is porcelain. They have a little tiny string so you're able to hang them up. I have these beautiful hooks and they're on a beautiful display with a lot of her other Disney characters. I just love the detail on this. You can see her castle right painted on her dress. How gorgeous is that? So you kind of have this gorgeous scenic view, all hand painted, all the way down to her beautiful shoes. You can see all the details just on her dress, on the apple, on her headband, the details, just on her sleeves. This is so gorgeous. The coloring on it is amazing. And just even to see her face with the eyes and the lipstick, the skin coloring, it's so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous Snow White. I absolutely love having this in my daughter's collection. This is something that she can keep for a very long time, and it's absolutely beautiful. That's just my point of view.